partnership with Forest Department is a result of this. Forest today we are seeing with so many varieties of species. Plus we are also collaborating with Forest Department to do very many other projects. One more project which is soon going to be, complete is this bird watch tower and an educational center. So it will be both for the purpose of education as well as tourism, and we soon hope to inaugurate this bird watch center and educational center. So this is an annual Mahotsav, and this year also Raj Bhavan will be planting about 500 trees of medicinal as well as fruit-bearing trees, and this will add to the forest value here. As every year in the monsoons we are losing a number of trees, and also for some development works we lose some trees. So to compensate this, we do this big forestation exercise during this monsoon season, and today we have started with this one Mahotsav. So once again, I am very thankful to the Forest Department, particularly to Honorable Forest Minister and to respected Chief Secretary and all his team of officers. We are extremely grateful, and let us continue this partnership and cooperation in the years to come, so that we will be able to maintain our commitment to the forest and environment. Thank you very much.
Raj Bhavan as well as the Ministry, Forest Ministry, everybody is committed to protect the environmental situation in our state, and our commitment, because of our commitment, every time we are doing this Vana Mahotsav and other things, and very sincerely cooperating the Minister and forest officials for the endeavour of Raj Bhavan in this regard. And in the last birthday of Prime Minister, we started two gardens here. We all know, and this is in September also we are going to have new gardens. And policy of the Raj Bhavan is that if a tree is lost because of the calamities or something, substitute the same, we will take steps on the sapling is put there and maintaining it is properly. And I am very much thankful to the Honorable Minister also, because his full cooperation is there. And this people also should cooperate with this move. I am sure that always our people are also very much interested in the protection of the environment. I am extending sincere thanks to all of you.
Excellency, Governor of Goa and Madam Governor, आणि आयज बरो कार्यक्रम आमचे चीफ सेक्रेटरी आमचे PCCL, APCCL, they have organized this program here and it was like a vision of His Excellency that we should have a Vana Mahotsav program here. And in addition to this, we were just talking in general, is that on what scale that we have taken Vana Mahotsav program, and I'm so happy today that we are here as a part in Raj Bhavan. This is such a beautiful site, and Forest Department will continue to work under the vision of His Excellency. Whatever needs to be done from the Forest Department to create any kind of eco trails or any kind of bird trails or tracking, all these things will be done. And we were just discussing, and also I've invited His Excellency, Ami either Kotigaon or Netravali, when the rain reduces, along with all our team, Chief Secretary Purit ji is there, all of us would like to invite His Excellency for a campfire there involving the local community, cultural, and what we want to do, what is our plan and vision. And also we are trying to create camping sites, which I was just going to mention, in different wildlife sanctuaries, so the people of Goa get attached to the forest, and there are different types of jungle safari, which I mentioned in the assembly, which we want to take up. And we want to, I was just telling our PCCF, Rajiv ji, is that we will have one whenever a time permits, vision of His Excellency to the department, and what way we should go forward with our whole, more than all the RFOs onwards to the highest level. We'll have a program separately which will be addressed by His Excellency, so that his vision we can take forward. Excellency is a person with vast experience, vast knowledge, and young people like me should actually work under that guidance, and we will take that vision and guidance forward. And I'm very happy today that Excellency gave us an opportunity to be here today, and whatever the vision of Excellency is, we will take it forward.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.